Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for a brand new video. So as you can see by the title, I am finally bringing you the long awaited wardrobe room, dressing room tour. So in this video, Dan and me do build the wardrobes. Don't worry, it's not too long. We don't build them forever. We do get into the tour of the room pretty quickly. I just want to say that I've never ever been so content with some wardrobes before, and if you're thinking about buying the Ikea Pax wardrobe system, this is your sign to go and do it. Stop hesitating, go and do it. It's the best thing you will ever do. I do try to remember to tell you guys where things are from in this video. Obviously, if I have forgotten them, make sure you leave a comment down below so that I can answer and say where it is from. As always, if you do like this video, make sure you smash the video a big thumbs up, but don't forget to subscribe down below for more. But yeah, without any further ado, let's jump straight into today's video. Doing a separate video on this because I feel like it deserves its own video. We've got loads of things to put together, so I'm probably going to speed this all up so that I don't bore you all. Maybe I should do a tour of the room first of how the layout's actually going to be. So as you walk in, we're going to have a corner wardrobe here. I'm not entirely sure it's all going to fit here, but I've got some shelves that my mum and dad that are from Ikea as well. So I'm going to put them there. If you've watched my recent vlogs, you're going to get very tired of me saying this, but we're going to have a mirror there, put that light up properly, and then we're going to have, I hope they fit, but we're going to have 2 of the wardrobes there. And then we're going to have another 2 here. I'm just praying it all fits because I'm pretty sure on Ikea I put everything as like the right size. But yeah, that's going to be the layout, and then obviously we need to wait for the rest of the stuff to be fitted. Which one are we starting with first? This one on the floor?
Yeah, let's find out what it is.
Yeah, I think this is the corner one. Oh yeah.
Seeing you got ritualistic.
I've managed to get one of the wardrobes up, and I'm not going to lie, it's taken us about an hour. But this is how one of them looks. Obviously it still needs moving up to the wall. I think I'm just going to get some more shelves to go there, and the same is going to happen either side. But now we've got the other wardrobes to do, and then we've got the inserts as well, and like the rails and everything, so I think this is going to take longer than we expected. I'm acting like we've done them all, but we haven't. It's like 8 o'clock and we're going to go home. But how sick does this look? Like, this is a trouser rail thing. Obviously you don't just have to put your trousers on it. You can put whatever you want on it. You've got so much space here. I didn't realise how much you actually had. And we've also got the same one for this wardrobe here. So obviously these aren't going to go here. These are going to go in the drawers. But look at how cool they look. And then I've got a little sunglasses stand. Oh my god. That would be quite cute there actually. Not the little insert things, but maybe that with something else there. But I don't know because of how far down my clothes are going to go. So I'm going to test out a mirror on this wall here, but I'm not entirely sure if it's going to be the one that I'll want. That's about as level as it's going to get. I don't know if we should keep this mirror because it is cute when it goes with like the theme of everything, or if I should get the long one. I think this looks nice, to be honest. It's a decent size, and then with the pink light when it's on, we need to go and buy something to attach that to, and then we need to get some batteries for these because there's 6 of them and there's 6 wardrobes, so my plan was to have them like stuck up there. I'm sorry, but I'm actually obsessed. How cool does that look? It looks like a little shop. I think what you've got to do with this is like hold it up to the ones you want changing, if that makes sense. Because when I was just holding it and then trying to do it like that, it wasn't doing anything. So like with these 2 here, if I was to put that one on warm, then that one goes warm and that stays standard. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So like I said before, these are from Shein. They were so cheap. You literally just put batteries in them and then that's it. And obviously to change the batteries, it's super easy. You just take them down like that and then you can just put them back up. I'm obsessed with them. Just think how sick it's gonna look when everything else is done and all the clothes are in. even know how to start this off because I'm really excited and I've never had all of my things in one space like this. We'll start on this side here, which is as you're walking through the door. I need to set the tone. I don't know where my remote is. Ta-da! So in here I've decided to put my coats and then blazers. There's still a car full of clothes, which is Dan's, and then 2 bags at my mum and dad's, and I think that's got loads of clothes in it as well. So this is where I've decided to put like all my coats and my blazers because I feel like it's just easy access. And then underneath is like shirts to the right, and then little tops here. We did put all the little tops up here, but they were too long, weren't they? So they like dangled down and everything. So yeah, shirts there, and then like little tops, and we've even got some like skirts there as well. Most of these have still got tags on, which is actually really bad, and it tells me that I need to go out more.
You've got too many clothes.
No, I don't have too many clothes, no such thing.
Yeah, you do.
No such thing. And then, like I said before, we've just got like little tops here, so I've got corsets, crop tops, and a little corset. So basically, all the tops that are like the same height, and then they're all easily accessible. So I like wearing these with joggers or like trousers as well. And then we've got like a little display unit here, which I think looks really cute. I do have my skincare fridge here, but we're using it at the moment because we don't have a fridge. So we're using that downstairs. And then I've got things like my perfume, there's jewellery in these boxes, all my crystals. I've still got a load of crystals in Dan's car as well that Lauren got me for my birthday. So I need to put them on there. This is from like the OG YouTube background when I first ever started my channel. And I tried to zhuzh it up a bit, so she's cute. She's staying. Some more jewellery there, so I've got like my watches, bracelets, earrings, things like that. By the way, if anyone orders from Majuri, you get little like cleaning things and they make your jewellery nice and shiny. And then in the top drawer,
Yeah, the camera.
What?
Yeah, I mean the camera shot in mirror.
I got these little dividers from Shein because I thought they just keep everything nice and tidy. So I've got socks and then pants, more pants at the back, and then like bras with matching pants at the top, at the front there. And then underneath is like joggers or shorts. And then in this one we've got like gym wear to the front, and then like bodysuits and everything at the back. Because bodysuits, I feel like they just waste a hanger, putting bodysuits on a hanger. So, and then at the bottom, oh my god, look at this. Can anyone else use their feet to open drawers?
The monkey.
We're waiting to get a chest of drawers for the bedroom, which is where like all Dan's underwear is going to go, so that is there for now. And then over to this side, this is like my favourite part of the wardrobe. It's like a little display unit. I've got my Christian Dior bag with like a little green bag from Princess Polly, the Louis one, the Primark one, Chanel, one from Shein, which is really cute. I've got my Dior saddle bag there with its box, and then I actually got that one from Tenerife. You can probably tell because of like the lettering on it, but it's cute, so it doesn't matter. And then I've also got some along the top there as well. I've got more bags that I need to try and fit in as well.
There's about 4 in my car.
Yay. And then I've got my little sunglasses stand there. I had that here, but again with the tops hanging down, it was like covering it and it looked really like cluttered and messy, so I'll move that up there. Here we have the mirror with the best light in the world. This light is from Shein, and I actually think Primark is starting to do these lights and they're like £4 or something. And then this mirror is from Dunelm, but quite a while ago. I got it from when I was at my mum and dad's, so I don't know if they still do that yet or not. I was going to get like the full length one that you can buy from Ikea. It's like massive, long, wide and perfect for outfit pictures, but I didn't want to spend £150 on a mirror, so I just reused this one. And then here, I was thinking what's missing from the top, but it's my boots that I wore yesterday. So I've got some chunky like knee-high boots there, and then 4 pairs of heels, and then my Nike off-white trainers. I don't know what else to say about this bit apart from it's like another display unit. But yeah, I just need to put my other ones up there as well. And then on here, it's a bit messy underneath because I just had a parcel from Pull and Bear delivered. But this is like sweaters, hoodies. Some of them have got like the matching shorts or joggers inside them as well. And then this is probably one of my favourite bits as well. It's like all my jeans, trousers, cargos, chef's kiss, and I tried to like make it look neater by putting all my jeans at the front. And then here, this is going to be like where I film and where I do my makeup and everything. I'm just going to move my cup of tea out the way from this morning. So I've just got like my brushes on here. I didn't want it to be too cluttered. I've managed to stand my ring light up like with the table. And then I've got my tripod, my MacBook, and then like my hairdryer just there. I don't really like the state of these drawers. I think I need to organise them a bit more. In this drawer is like makeup and hair things. It's a bit cluttered, but this is like what I use every day, so I've just sort of shut that in there for now. And then in the second drawer, this one's a whole lot more organised. So these came in a pack from Shein, and they were meant to be for like kitchen storage, but they actually fit in here. Perfect. So I've got like sort of like skin based things, foundations, lip things, eye things, and then lipsticks there. And then I've got some more just at the back. I don't even know what's in this one. Oh, important documents, passports, and then a bag full of like hair clips and bubbles.
Are they important documents now?
Yeah. This one's just like palettes and things that I don't really reach much often. And then in the bottom is like, how disgusting is that? If you don't have a hairbrush like this, then you're not a girl. It looks like a hairy badger is in my drawer. I've got like all my curlers, wavers, another hairdryer and straighteners. I think it fits nice underneath the table. Everything, like furniture wise, everything is from Ikea apart from the mirror. The only problem is, behind the wardrobes is where the plug sockets are. So the only way that I could like turn that on was by pulling this forward and plugging it in, and it's sort of like just sandwiched between the wall and the actual wardrobe. So we're going to get an extension cable behind this one and then sort of like clip it to underneath the desk so you don't really see it. And then this is Dan's side of the wardrobe. I'm really sorry if you can see a lot of things in the corner there. If you can. No, you can't. This is like, you've just put like your work shirts here really, haven't you?
Yeah, because that's all I wear.
Yeah, everyone knows where Dan works now. He's also got one of these little pulley out trays as well. Oh my god, look at this that we found of Ivy's the other day. Oh, I'm so cute. And then he's got like sunglasses, jewellery. I say jewellery, I mean a watch. Aftershave, and then like his trainers underneath. I've also started stealing space under here already, and we've been moved in for 2 days.
Them white ones aren't mine.
I know, but they're really ugly. Because they're really mucky, so they can't go on my shelf.
I say put them with mine.
Yeah. And then he's got like all of his shirts and everything that he wears day to day here. And then like going out or holiday shirts if he's gonna go to Spain and have shit shirt night. And then just in the middle he's got like his ties and his belts and everything. And then underneath he has all of his hoodies just there. So everything looks really nice and spacious. It's not like all cluttered together, so I feel like we've actually got quite a bit of storage in here. And then along the top he's also got his hats. Look at how cool. It needs a wash, but look at how cool this hat is. And then we've just stood like his other hats up here. And then being able to fit a suitcase on. We didn't get the tallest wardrobes just because I don't think they would have fit in the room, but we also wanted some extra space on top where we could put things like suitcases and everything. So I think it worked out quite well, to be honest. This table is being DIY'd. It's not staying here forever. I'm going to use it as a hallway table. It's just so much easier because when I was coming in here this morning when I was getting ready for work, I could literally just sit down at a table and turn around and grab whatever I wanted to wear. We're not going to put doors on these because I like it more open planned. Nothing gets like lost at the corner of the wardrobe. Some people might disagree and might think it looks a bit messy. I personally don't. But yeah, you can actually see what you want to wear. So if I wanted to know where my green shirt is, then I know it's directly there. Quite a colourful wardrobe, which I didn't think I had that much colour. We got the carpets fitted round the wardrobes because apparently like the floorboards are a better base for them. This one is meant to be a corner wardrobe, but it wouldn't fit if we were to turn it the whole way around because of the chimney breast, so we had a big palaver with that, which you probably saw at the beginning. But yeah, I know it sounds really stupid, but because we lived at my mum and dad's and then lived at Dan's mum and dad's, whilst we were like waiting for the whole buying process to go through, we just had clothes everywhere, didn't we? And we didn't know where things were.
Yeah.
So for like the last 4 months we were literally just like, where's this top? Where is this pair of jeans? So now that everything's in one place together, it's a lot easier. That is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like I said before, I am so happy and so content, and also thank you so much for watching the entire way through if you did. And as always, if you did like this video, make sure you smash it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.